Dream coding dark mode, Python Boolean logic. Is sleepy equals true. Has coffee equals false. Can code equals is sleepy and not has coffee. Needs nap equals is sleepy or has coffee. Ready equals not needs nap. Count equals 3. In range equals count greater than 0 and count less than 5. Name equals quote Luna quote. Known equals name equals quote Luna quote, or name equals quote Sol quote. If known and in range, new line, 4 spaces, print, open, parenthesis, quote, allowed, quote, close, parenthesis. Result equals ready, or can code. Print open parenthesis, quote, logic, resting quote, close parenthesis. Dream coding dark mode, sweet dreams, and don't let the code bugs bite.